In this video we will discuss how to register on the WEEX exchange, get maximum bonuses at the start, verify your identity and set up your account security correctly. Let's get started. We begin with registration. Click on the first link in the description below the video. Enter your email address, make sure to open the referral code field and enter the code provided. This will give you a lifetime 20% discount on trading commissions, both on spot and futures. In the long run, this will save you tens or even hundreds of dollars in commissions. Next, a code will be sent to the specified email address. Enter it in this field. Then create a strong password and complete the registration. That's it, your account has been created. Now you can complete identity verification, QIC. It is not mandatory on the exchange, but completing it increases your withdrawal limits. Without verification, there is a withdrawal limit of up to $10,000 per day. Verification is necessary to confirm that the account belongs to a real person and is required on all crypto exchanges. To complete QIC, go to Profile, Verification, select a document, for example passport or driver license, upload it and complete the facial recognition procedure. Approval usually takes no more than 5 minutes. Next, we strongly recommend that you enhance your account security. Go to Profile, Security, add your phone number and connect Google Authenticator. After that, you will need a confirmation code when logging into your account or withdrawing funds, which will significantly increase the protection of your funds. We remind you that you can always find the rating of the best crypto exchanges with the maximum bonus upon registration on our website CryptoStonks. Subscribe to the channel, there are many useful videos in a concise format. See you soon!